Hello, today we're going to talk about the removal process on our newest machine, the HR550XL, capable of fixturing board sizes up to 530 millimeters by 530 millimeters with a motorized bottom heater cassette. We're going to remove a component from this board. So to start the process, the heating head will come down and start the profile. Integrated into the top radiator is a motorized pipette for component removal. At a specified temperature, the pipette will come down and remove the component. At the end of the removal process, the guided rework software instructs the operator to position the component tray underneath of the removed component, and the system automatically releases the component.